There's 4 of us that live here.
We moved into the flat about 6 months ago.
As a flat, we all enjoy sports.
We also socialise a lot. We're always hosting the fellas.
I guess it's about having the spot to actually do that.
We had to sort of turn the lounge, what was the lounge, into a hacks room.
The fact that we've got the garage out there, it's absolutely begging for a makeover where we can entertain.
There's no seating, there's no lighting.
Power and TV would be great.
Yeah. Maybe some carpet, definitely some storage. You know, we've got a lot of stuff that doesn't really fit anywhere.
A place to hang up our tools.
At the end of the day, I think we just want a lad pad, somewhere to socialise and hang the fishing rods up.
G'day, mate.
Howdy, boys.
G'day, how are you?
Hello, mate. Give us a hand unloading, eh?
Yeah, sure thing.
Been going. Yeah, okay.
Brilliant.
Okay, boys, just walked past your shed. I love it. I reckon we can turn this little pad into something quite special. There's a couple of big things we need to build down there. One is a roll-out bar, sort of come barbecue area. What do you reckon?
It's
Now, you guys love your footy and your sports and that, and you want a TV on the wall. So instead of just having an ugly TV sitting up there, what we'll do is build a cabinet that the TV goes in. We can fold a lid down and then you can have a dartboard on that as well. Yeah. Now, to get the rest of your garage in shape, we're going to put some lining up. We're going to put some new garage carpeting down. We're going to put a tool bench in there, some seatings, a bit of storage. Ooh. I hope you got shoes on because we're going to knock your socks off. Right. So what we're going to put on your walls is the 13mm Akumi face ply. It's actually a hardwood. It's going to look great in here. It's not too light, you know, creates that little boy zone. And then on this back wall, we'll sort of do a bit of a feature wall with our rough sawn timber on the back there. So you guys can do a little route around the edge of that and then give it a stain and we'll cut it and throw it up.
Shall we get into it?
Crack on, boy. Go on.
G'day there, Stat.
Hey, boys. Nice one, thank you.
What is going on here with the dance party, mate?
Well, what I thought I'd do is use the old Stabila laser level just to see how far out your floor is before we start attaching the boards. Your floor's actually 40mm out of level, so what I've done is actually ripped 40mm to nothing off this first board, so that set us up level for the rest of the job. So we're just about ready to attach this, mate. So if you grab yourself a battery drill, start down that end and we'll start screwing them up and then we'll just work our way up and we'll cut our last board to suit, eh?
Sure,
Sounds good, man.
One of the biggest jobs we've got to do today, mate, is build a cabinet that's the full height. You got a 2-metre stud in there.
Yep.
We'll put your TV up the top.
Yep.
I think we'll build a big Barlina railway sleeper that'll sit on there.
Love it.
But then we'll also have a fold-down lid that will put some nice little T-hinges sitting there. And then the dartboard will be on the face of that. And then that'll flip up and your TV will be in behind that. We're going to make the main frame out of plywood.
Okay.
And we're going to clad it with just this rough sawn timber. What I need you to do first, though, is measure up your TV.
Yep.
And then we can start assembling the frame, put the plywood on, start chopping the hole out, all right?
Sounds good.
Mate, just screw this last side on. Now let's grab the sheet and throw it on. All right, mate, we'll start down your end and we'll just work our way along and screw the sheet off. Hey, boys.
G'day, mate.
Here's the door.
Yes.
Okay, Henry, we've got a big job on today, making our roll-out barbecue Barlina that I've designed, and we've got this beautiful gas-mate barbecue that we're going to drop into the top. What we've got to do is build our frame, attach our exterior ply clad, and then put our scaff planks on our top, and then we'll cut a hole and drop our barbie in.
Oh, wicked.
Put that screw in, and just a wee little tip. When you're doing a mitre like this, it's actually better to have it slightly off, so as that pulls it in, it pulls the mitre in nice and tight. Beautiful. Right, time to throw on our ply cladding, mate.
Brilliant, let's do it. So there'll be a couple 180s on this dartboard, wouldn't there, Heck?
Yeah, I tell you what, when I play you again, Foz, I'll be
Oh, here we go.
wiping the floor with you.
Don't bring up the past here. Just chuck it in here, mate.
Yeah.
Hey, we might be getting the hang of this.
Certainly feels like it, mate.
Perfect.
Loving it, loving it.
The old hinge door here, mate.
Lovely.
Boy, here we go.
Good.
I think I'm almost done here.
Here we go.
The square. How's that?
We've had such a wicked day. I mean, it's been full on. We've just seen like a full transformation of the garage and we're just stoked.
It's pretty impressive stuff.
The dartboard's a massive one for me. I've been playing Henry and darts. I've always had the better of him, so I'm looking forward to getting in there and having a couple of good games against him.
Getting the lining on the walls has really added a warm feel to it.
We've got the workbench, the tools on the wall, we've got the dartboard, the TV.
Now we've got a spot for all the fishing rods, the reels, the diving gear, the spear guns. It just tidies everything up. The barbecue barley combo, it's just come up mint. And this isn't any barbecue, this is what I like to call the holy grail of grilling. It's a ripper. And I mean, just pretty stoked, can't wait to get down there and give it a crack.
Well, it really surprised me how easy a lot of the things we attempted down there were. I mean, there's not a lot of handymen around me at the moment, and really proud of the boys.
Thanks, mate.
At the start of all of this, you know, we wanted a man pad, we wanted a club room, but I think we got even more than what we actually bargained for. The fact that we knocked it all out in a day really shows that there's more projects that we can continue to do as well, which is going to be a lot of fun.
This is just the beginning, I think.